by the moon's embrace, by the sapphire flame, by the golden thread of the Eternal Mother. I call forth the sacred chant of the lunar veil. May this sound lift the veil of silence and awaken the serpent-wisdom of the divine feminine. E-Ha-Rah, so it is. Lunar Sai'Va El'Rah, wisdom of the tide, A'Ma Shekinah.